guys, today I have something that I'm very excited about. I got this huge box in the mail from SQUEEZAMALS. They actually told me that they were gonna send this, so I did know about it. I don't know anything about these. I don't know what they look like. I don't know what they feel like. I've never seen them before. So this is gonna be my first impression of these. All I know is that they are a cross between Squishies and stuffed animals, and that was enough. Even though these were sent to me and I didn't have to pay for them, you guys know I'll still be honest about what's inside and I'll let you guys know what's up. Opie is here with me even though you can't see him. He's taking a nap on the table, or trying to. Okay, so let's break into this box because I can't wait any longer. So do I cut toward myself or do I cut toward Opie? Oh my gosh, there's so many. Oh goodness gracious. Let me just try to... Let me... Wow. There's a box within the box, as you can see, within a bag. So let's take the bag off because that's gonna be making annoying noise the whole time. Yeah, I know you're gonna go and want to play with that and it's gonna bug me. What did I tell you? Okay, so these are definitely scented because I'm getting a whoosh of perfume right now. Can you see this? Oh my gosh, it's double layered. I didn't even know that. I thought it was just the ones on top, but there is a whole other layer on the bottom. So, yeah, let me just take them out one by one. First impression, I mean, these are adorable. They smell good. It's kind of just like flowery, fruity, kind of like a standard perfumey smell. The plushie fabric is really soft and wow, that's so weird. It is nice and satisfying. I'm happy with the amount of squishy. If you're comparing this with like a really nice quality squishy, it's not as soft, it's a little bit more dense, but considering it's a plushie at the same time, we can overlook that. You can't really see how slow rising it is because the fabric kind of pops up before the actual foam that's inside. Honestly, I really love it. What else do we have here? Let's keep you in the frame so everyone can look at you. Okay, what else do we have here? So this is definitely a cat. Do you like it? I think he likes the smell. I love the colors of this one. I love the turquoise and the purple. There's doubles of the cat. So, okay, cool. Okay, what else? Oh my gosh, this one is flipping adorable. Ooh, this one is really soft. Okay, that's weird. Definitely some differences in the softness. Am I going crazy? Am I nuts? Wait, what is this? Is this like a, what's it called? A hedgehog? I think this might be a hedgehog. It's really cute. Okay, this one's really cute. There's like a little narwhal. This one like oozes out when you squish it. Weird. All of them feel slightly different to me. And we've got a unicorn. Oh, so cute. We've got a rabbit here. The skin on this one is a little bit loose, I feel like, but that's okay. We have a ladybug here. The spots are hearts, how adorbs. Another ladybug. Okay, I swear. Look, these are totally different shapes, are they not? This one looks more round and this one looks like more elongated. You know what I'm saying? I don't know what's up with this one, but there's like, it sounds like there's like a plastic bag under its face. I don't know, is that like a fluke? I'm thinking this one is a sloth. Do they have like a guide online? Because I might look at that. This is a sloth. I think the other ones were pretty obvious what they were. What are you? Oh, it's a moose. Okay, so these are antlers. Gotcha. And that is not it. That's the first layer. So we have 2 more hedgehogs. This purple thing, what is this? Purple thing. I don't know, you're not on the website, so I'm not really sure what you are. There's a monkey on the tag, but it's brown. But it has the same face as this one, so I'm thinking this could be a monkey, just a purple version. Yeah, look at the tail. That's a monkey tail if I've ever seen one. Oh, this one is freaking adorable. Okay, so this is like a penguin, bird, owl. Okay, it's an owl. I'm sorry, guys. I love the colors on this one. This one is probably one of my favorites so far. They did give me another one of these. This one's softer. Oh, we've got a panda in here. Super cute. Got a little fuzzy dandruff. Another cat, but this one is white. And they do have kind of like different detailings on the top, so they're not the exact same. This one's one of the softer ones. Cute. Nice. This one's super adorable. This is a Corgi Dog. Love it, love it. Got a couple more here. Look at all my friends. I'm so popular. We've got a pig. It kind of looks like that Pokemon. You guys know what I'm talking about? You know that Pokemon? We've got this one. This is a penguin. It's gotta be. Yes. Penguin. It's a blue penguin. This is another one of my favorites. I love the blue color. I really like what they've done with like the colors. Some of them are kind of crazy and wacky colors, but then they did put some in here that are like more natural colors. The rabbit, the moose, you know. Oh, cute! This is a dog. This one feels like that narwhal. It's like, it kind of like puffs out when you squish it. It's nice, I like it. And the last one is another panda. I like them when they're like a little bit rounder, but some of them I've noticed are kind of taller than the others. You know what I'm saying? You see that, right? I don't know if it's a different style or if there's just that much variation between the two. I don't know, but I like the rounder ones better, I have to say. Okay, so that's everyone. 24 in total. And I love all of them. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the doubles at this point. I would say I'm gonna do a giveaway, but I kind of have one planned for later. So I don't want to do one right now, and I don't know if I want to hold on to these until then. So, okay, so that's it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me open these and thought that they were cute like I did. I will see you guys on Friday. Bye. Also, thank you, Squeezamals, for sending these to me. I love them. They're great. Also, is it Squeezamals or Squishamals? Because the box says Squeezamals and the tag says Squishamals.